anywhere. There's nowhere like Simone Bot's pizza. Now, what is your favorite element about this pizza that really gets you?
I like my Italian food really saucy, and I like that the center of the pizza has sauce right on top.
That's how she likes it, saucy. You normally go in for the actual pizza slice, the triangle is nice, or you use the sleeve. Lately I've been going more Sicilian. And you never want to go against the family. Seriously, if you come here and then you try another pizza, you wake up with half a pie in your bed. Sauce everywhere. It's very tragic stuff. In 1919,
yeah, I think there is.
Started out with just a horse-drawn wagon loaded with his signature spumoni, an Italian ice cream traditionally made from molded layers of vanilla, chocolate, and pistachio. Today, B has a full kitchen, dishing up all the Italian classics, and I'm heading inside to make one of my favorites, the square. I feel like I'm like in the Holy of Holies. I'm actually behind the